Topic on psychology and personality development, and today's topic is success and consistency. So in accordance with Jade Bonacolta, a productivity coach, what does success mean, or when does success come to us? So he says success comes only when talent is accompanied by కన్సిస్టెన్సీ. సో మనకున్న ప్రజ్ఞ, మనకున్న తెలివితేటలు కాదు, దీనికి తోడు నిలకడత్వము, కన్సిస్టెన్సీ ఉంటేనే మనకి విజయం వరిస్తుందని చెప్తున్నాడు. సో లెట్ us describe the process. So we may have talent and skills, but they are not alone enough to succeed in any field. So let us ensure that consistency is the key to success. Many talented people fail to reach their potential because of lack of consistent effort. So how can we achieve it? By practicing a subject regularly by 100 hours